That's good, and that's good. And this stuff, when mixed, has a pot life of 60 seconds. So it has to be mixed quickly and then poured in quickly. All right. All right, here we go. Okay, Tom, hold that like that so it drains in. Yeah. Okay. Just put that on the cardboard. Okay, hold that to make sure it doesn't fall into the bucket there, please. Okay, move the tape. Now, and in we go with the foam. Have you got enough aspect there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, it's going to start expanding here right away. And there it goes. And just watch this, Tom. It's starting to expand and rise. Yep. See? Up it comes. Okay, now, the staple gun. Oh, I need that knife. Gotta cut a breather hole. There. Now, come on, baby, rise. Okay, so hold up the target like that. There we go. I just hope I have enough mixture, but I'm pretty sure I do. There it goes. And I put this here so it doesn't expand that way. Tilt them up. Come on, rise some more. Keep going. I hope I have enough, because I want it to expand out to these margins. Yep. Oh.
Drippage. Oh, wait, right here. Right there.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
Yep.